if I beat you, Kopko, you got break. That Morocco when you smoke, you go clear for your eye. And not be TikTok saga presenter. Now Facebook I forcon. Hey, my way like Mofi where not be miserable, you know they see view. Hey, my way do Dave way at your age, 42 years. You are looking for people's progress to venture into. You have insulted me and my wife 6 good times. And they can't and they follow you. And they can't and they follow you. Now the one want play so because when I don't say tomorrow now, so I say now so you don't get the do, you don't get to the like to the oppressed people. Kopko, not be joke, you got saga way. You go no say saga the pass saga. Not be all just crayfish saga what they do. You dey open your toto for grand. That your toto will be like roasted yam. But where you be, I know they fear you. Because since then, the reason why I know they answer you, and they look and say, you mad. But I call look and say, you know why they mad? May you run a moto, or may you run a touch track. Be very careful. If I come Kopko, if I come for you, stick to not contain me and you. Now the truth I already tell you so. Not be me what day. If you not see view, you come by mention my name. May you forget view. Oh, what good you are? You dey mad? You are brother with Now me say me not get mad for us. Now me say me be frustrated single mother will not get sense. Vodka single mother, kaka single mother, jobless mugu. How many times have you ever used your platform to raise money? Hey Kopko, how many times you don't have the less privilege? Because of your papa die, I don't raise money for you. From that time, you begin to act like wish. You not concern me. Mogbera, Kopko Mogbera, Mogogiwa. No here vodka single mother the weboa. And they will imagine how boy go look you. He pre go raise. You dey mad? What Zaga? You dey talk to my wife say my wife not better pass you. At least my wife dey with man for us. One man. Yam we bog boy. Kopko. Maybe they never swear for you before. Yam we because I not fair you. No, you mean say you know they see you. The beauty TikTok for you one well. These are not. I never consaga you. This is a warning message to you. Stay clear from me and my family. I tell my wife before I say be useless person. Yes. When my wife declare your platform, sometimes if my wife dey life, you clap you. I tell my wife say make she dey very careful with somebody like you. If anybody want it with you, now long people that they follow somebody like you till they eat. You tell one mark him. When I want to do marriage the last time, I invited you. You were scared. You said they made them not come beat you. Then I said, no problem, stay your ass. Kopko, be very careful. I mean when the medicine, if you tell me say this person is a yeye person, I go one day go close to that person to see. Kopko, be very careful. I know they fear you. Who be you are where? May you be my name. I'm not when you wear you will get roasted. You know those not roasted toto you guys. If you don't know today, I just let you know say now your face be, now show your Kopko's be. Then imagine man go look you, he pre go stand. There are useless men in Europe. Now let useless men fit still date somebody like you. You are not juicy, you are not classy, you are not soft. You make people ask you, as your name tell me Kopko, and so your toto be. Oh, Kopko. Then when you Kopko, your breast don't fair. Kopko, take time, oh. I be go better. Who did that war? I go bitch way. How will not get roasted toto? What Zaga Wagmo? Now let you want the mark for Germany. If your medicine don't finish, go meet your gynecologist. Near you any nonsense. The pregnant woman can never watch your video. If you are a pregnant woman, you don't watch the video now. You know. You not go watch the replay of what you watch for TikTok. Be very careful as a pregnant woman. I got the advice now today. So no, working. Even in the TikTok cyberspace, what you don't use to achieve for your life. Mira, okola, it smell, but we work by with Sagani. Straight saga. The mad. What pass Morocco? Morocco, the see. You know, move for we married there. You know, how can you have a children that and be smoking? The Rosam start at Mugus for them to still keep you for there. See the region where you do Bayan. People who wait for Bayan, they not reach 10. Now people, before I continue, when I see what this move go do, why was say Morocco there? You know they talk rubbish. Why was say Morocco there? You know they talk rubbish. Since there they look you. But today again, my wife they say, on this now yes, he said, well, you know what they do. Not be me. If you don't smoke Morocco, finish you cut it while they wait time.
I don't know they worry that.
Uzwa.
I don't worry again.
I go bijwe. I go bijwe.
You will not be a shower. You go left and right. Come for Libya. Una vie moke Libya day.
See, because of TikTok, why they make Kopko? Me cover.
When not you wait, Basha Libya. Look, you know you be like good day. You know you be like good day.
You don't ever see my wife nakedness.
If I see your face, I imagine your makeup go be.
No, somebody go see Kopko. Your pig go stand.
It be like roasted momo. Your makeup be like roasted momo.
Somebody like Kopko.
Imagine your face. Look at your eye. Who they?
You go look Kopko. Your pig go stand.
The boy who they knock you.
Na mad mugu. Now let devil feel knock you.
Nigga they knock you. Who are?
Kopko, let me tell you life history.
Who are?
Remember that wet way.
Who are?
You
a woman who children are not proud of.
You can never be proud of.
Children cannot go to public and say this is my mother.
No, if Kopko na she, you not be proud of yourself.
Why use brush or wash up makeup because only your washes.
You didn't say I be Abu.
Go and use brush.
You look me like Abu.
A person who go and use it.
When you and Abu quarrel for Saturday, when I was set on Tuesday, when I quarrel again, you
look so dirty, Kopko.
It is a problem with like social media.
You must be your do makeup. Because of you, how many years of TikTok you want back of you? See jealousy. Look at the way jealousy.
Now the same day we start. I still go mother by stupidity.
The other day, you want to go boy for my husband. You will want to go boy. You get 5 guests. Me get 4 guests. I should come tell you like, you see what boy for you.
Wow.
You see what boy for you.
Oh, we're not getting.
If me and go say me, I not get limit that because she's in a Kopko. See, I have
to. Kopko. You say she's coming for me. Kopko na better person. Oh, what Kopko here? I understand.
Now let us take Kopko mad. Cause.
What did they be Kopko? If you the boy you there, come out for me again. I'll show you how to play saga. Not be others know what you are. Not be others Mumu saga they play. You mad? Say your best for here. Don't send me your best. You married to Mashago. Kopko, bring video. Where they engage you.
I not born for Libya. I not be single mother to anybody. Now here I first that they born for. Before you come here, shower, make sure you born for one man. Make sure you born for one man. Who born for one man for Asha?
If you don't sleep Morocco, go and sleep.
For one man.
I'm
not born for Libya. I'm not actually go for Libya.
We're not depressed. Everything in your body is depressed.
Very useless. Get away where you are. Honestly, I am depressed.
What's the depression you're
I'm not proud of you.
You were blessed there side.
Now mumu the fear.
I know the fear go person here. I dey beat person for here. Which one be fear go? Fear go ogbiju e. Iju e no meme.
Jamie Musa, see people when
Jamie carry load.
See people when Jamie keep bag of Gary you.
The man. What bell?
Only say ya
jobless and real woman.
My center.
Na me and you want that kind of Musa da.
Kopko, my center of nyash, she fell past your face.
Your center of your nyash.
Center of nyash, she fell past Kopko's face. If I see her face, I imagine Kopko.
That is so they say people they fell for Kopko. What did they Kopko Toto?
Kopko, do you even
Kopko Toto na vodka.
With your behavior.
They drink vodka. You don't drink vodka.
How do you scream?
Imagine that one is scream. What do you want to go in Ibula? If I
How do you scream?
for
How do you scream?
Mo.
You scream for your viewers.
Go in and Remila. When I go in and Mo.
Kopko, how do you really scream?
Kopko, you are a dirty woman.
Sometimes my mouth can be so dirty. How
so
do you
dirty.
Scream?
What about?
How do you scream, Kopko?
I never even fear better people. Talk less of you. Any day you do video, I'll the blog and the poster. For today now, I want to let you know so I'll be do problem. Mugu.
Imagine I've been only my mind that is so I imagine this what so my heart is
take care.
How do you scream?
Even you are going Rosa, I guess like you go they beat you. Yeah, when you have video where you I can do it. I know people who work pass you for Rosa. If you hear that when you are babamu, don't be me how they do. You get now shifter. Me we shifter me wa gbo wa. Me wa gbo wa.
You go reverse you know as a guy. You go reverse you.
Because I never know. I never know.
When why go Mickey we go reverse we.
Oh no.
Kopko is was send me content what. If you come for my children, I'll come for your children.
You don't get children too.
If you come for my children,
I'll come for your children. Post, try.
Mommy tell you never talk to your that day. You dey call the enemy.
What soon?
Mommy tell you the if you try to
not get children,
I go come for your own.
What Baba Olorun gbe. Obi as service.
Son of it.
You get joy like you dey here too.
Daughter of Igbo.
Over the Ejemi person wey join for carry go psychiatric. Yemamo Sandra.
Daughter of Igbo.
Jama, wa mo Sandra go mamo won keke wa mu. Wa mamo Ozuo Mugu. Egwe frustrated, depressed, invalid single mother. Wow, Wagmo. Egwe no say Morocco live video. And they follow you, they do all those your 1, 2, 3 saga you they do. If I come for you again, you don't worry. If you put my picking, I'll put your picking on. I go really use the saga tire you. Wow, soon Wagmo. We not gain. If you say na live, we do run into live video in my parents. They too we magien. Wow, soon Wagmo. Oh, my God, you have to pay me. May I plan for you? May you know. Say I see the video when you do. You can't tag me. You know then now. Boko, I must come answer you today. I never come for you. This is just testing the microphone. Yeah, you know, talking at David War. Look at your breast, dirty breast. You went, now you not fair. Now you say things your hair. Who they give you say you fair? You may tell the truth in marriage. No fair, my fair. Uye zuo. Uye na re. Owo ke kanu no me no ga re dia ma re ni. Ho egbe. Wa ye opportunity ni atama wo. Owo ho me no pa no ga re dia ma ri waye. Oni he spray it here to red. When I spray where to gold. Wa sun wo wagmo. Wo ugly. The Jemmy na ko ye. The gbe wa we no kori o se. Ndori aduro we Jemmy ma ho e. Ye ma ho e. Wa ri e wo we. Wa gbe o wagmo. Wa bo la egbe. Wa sun wo. Wanna see wetin they do. And you know no gbel. No lori ari. Make thunder fire you. Wa sun wo roti pekus wey dey carry the waka. Wetin I do you? Wetin me and my wife do you? Huh?
They not the one that say open for your family. You dey judge people case. Judge your wife case. If you look at your wife is not a son, not going so. That's the same I make a pikin. Let wife go. You sound for Bano.
Now, so you tell you do your own saga, Abi. There are different kinds of saga. I will teach you how to play the real saga. You see, you do what you do so. This is comedy. You call my wife Ashawo, but your press there aside. My wife will not there aside. No man go marry you for us. So I have to tell you so. No man. Demu. Better guess we get swag never see. They never see ma. I'm a when agmofi. That's why they see you wait they even the fuck poko. Now you can't use less past the poko. How you go look somebody like vulture? Your prick go the raise. Some men will not get value for themselves. That's why women say they still not finish. As a man, your prick is your pride. Just the way their pekos be their pride. But imagine man, like fellow man, go see this kind of person. You go put your prick. Imagine say this one will come. How you wanted to scream? Just imagine this kind of person juicy. This one classy. I don't know why go when I go very near that you load now. No, we say you they chat like mad woman when they give injection just because of say you want for congee. I don't say congee, they bring disgrace to person, but not to Kopko. Go use your hand, take mama your prick, put buy soap, go do it for you will not get wife. It's better than this. You they make love with dirty, they make love with woman wey be say if they, imagine this one dey scream or e come dey lick tongue. Let me say to you, be like go to them where they carry neck go one side where they want cut. Kopko, look yourself in the mirror, go and bring goat head, make you check. I know say blogger go really go do this thing. So when I look goat head, when I look Kopko, if difference they check my name. Well, soon go agmo. I never come for you. If I come for you, now that I read that this thing now one way, you know say saga don't come. They agbe, ya agbe ya fenome because body want to cash, I not be your mate. Now they grace. Uzwa. Now me gog you, now me frustrate you. You say you felt like you get one of your video when I watched the last time. You say yeah, die where I when I was young I was fat. Shut up. So you when you were old you come war. You don't get when you felt a fan. Imagine say as you do like this now, how you be when you young? When you young, I don't want to play game. You call your bell up where? God bless a real woman. Wow, bell. Now me want to do all those kind of changing of voice for the do saga. My one voice when I use now I use for you. Not be all those change voice go A, change voice go B. You are frustrated and depressed. People they use it the while they wait time now. Whenever you're born with Guamoye, that's why they always they see you online because they watch you. You not get anything they do. Whenever you're born with you not get any help they do for people. They mad. They write Kopko TikTok for your head. Say now let you the go day TikTok. Wow, well, which man ever engage you before? In no day. They knock you the stairs, they knock you, they say you're total sweet. Which sweet? Any man will go down with you is as foolish as you are. I don't put water TikTok, I don't put water for mouth. For you as a man to even say the crush on Kopko, you are a fool. Like a bastard. Oh, go kill your man. For you to even look Kopko, say the crush on her. Say not be joking, they use how they make say you they pull her leg. Say you just look Kopko for head to toe, your prick they raise. What is the Kopko body? If you touch here, that's why I give you say you don't know what it is. I don't know man. Oh man, I call you pain this way. Kopko is as stupid as himself. A mad woman. Wow, my boy loud egbe.
If you get to put up for banner, me want to go now. I will send for sample by myself. Oh, don't go on. What you want to put us for us? I saw where the fire where go break.
For no reason.
Now I am my way. I'm not the bad with you. See, if you listen to our view, what for? Your view will use money, but if I don't look at my natural view. This one, you doyle. You just only 5 view. You want saga Kopko? This type of you can't put for an hour. You need Chris and your view. What use money by if you view.
People they jealous.
Nonsense. You know you like 2K when you go attach.
Kopko, don't worry. You see the bad view, Abi? When the time comes, we will know if you pass me for this saga or I pass you. Or you go know why they call me Enogie matter. Don't worry. Try and me come on life again. They will put time. We can saga ourselves. Yes. I want to teach you lesson. If I don't beat you 2 times, I will leave you make the crazy go. But I just want to come out for you today. May you know, say me, I know you mad. Who are the fear? May you come and say now, what you are? Because you yourself too small when you cause now to they do gaga just foolishly, stupidly, they do that video on his head. Nothing to write on me but yes zuo. Oh now we had to hear that boy here at 42 years. Yeah, anyway, TikTok with my godmother for your man. There are people there who are depressed where they use the while away time. If you want to do saga, you do saga. If you want to stand on the street line, you stand firm. Or Agbeo for national peace to me. No, may they leave me, may they call the wash you will not get sense. So may they leave me, may they call the wash you view boy. Stay the fuck away from me. I don't want to play your audio because your audio is very irritating. Since I know say you be a person, since I reason you look you way. Because when I newly enter this TikTok, they come my life, I never go your own once. Now let you and my wife you go call your own because I know say you be a year person. You get person that they do friend. Give yourself, not still trust yourself. Or say now you was video. Which party you don't go? Your dad and so they put you for flyer. You come mumu. I pity people who do that show. But mommy and mumu a flyer when I make Kokoyo. She be come disgrace and say no, you know they come again. Yeah, yes, set of people. Here le Kopko right? You Kopko go there, Sakmoba Road. You go there, go make the eat from there. Kopko is a very useless person. If you carry Kopko entire your life, you will forever be frustrated. You will forever be frustrated. Kopko is a dirty in the midst of us. Kopko is not even supposed to be here at all. That's why they cause TikTok sometimes. TikTok will walk boy. Because if Kopko dey Facebook, nobody go even watch Kopko. Kopko go dey Facebook for 10 years, nobody go watch. Who be Kopko? No, who is Kopko? Kopko is a woman who has a roasted pickles. Kopko is a woman that has no vision. Kopko is a woman that has never helped anybody in her own platform. But if they need to look for help for people platform, well, now your papa to open this TikTok. We you can't expect me say your papa tell me I can't donate for you. Donation bourgeois. A donation boy. And donation they kill you. Wow. May I hear my name from your mouth again? Then you will know that your saga what they do with all those people. You don't sabi even do saga. You just the learn. I will carry you for back to do saga. You will be woman who they use no local no yo. You. Wow, I will let you know say that your Morocco you smoke will not know yourself. Me as your woman and they use and they know myself. That's why you can never see my nakedness aside. I not be mad with even spoil. I get a lot of girls when be saying me will be friends, but anyone of it to come out to say don't get it toast me. I know myself. See your breast for outside. You will not be a shower. Your breast there outside. Person with the call shower breast on the outside. May I hear my name from you, or may you talk with me, not be true for my body. May you see juju. You know me now. My own saga na plus saga and juju. You may I woman. They never even swear for you. You be like this. Yeah, if they go more bug boy, who do you two way? You will go say they do saga, your head go the small. Don't worry. That your enemy go smaller. That your small head where you take the do saga, your head go the small. I go smaller for you. And if I don't smaller for you, can they reduce? Not below your head go they reduce again. Everybody, all your part of your body. Imagine say 5 kilo come off for your body. Who will you want no. Sometimes you look like HIV patient. If they say they use one eye look you, the other eye you still be like normal human being. The other eye you still be like Chris person. Only one just get like 4 different body in you. Chameleon. Wagmo. HIV patient, semi-HIV patient. Wagbo person go look you say prick stand. Wait for that girls full TikTok the twerk. Na Kopko you can't see. Fuen where? Yeah, boys where they see for Europe because of Konji. Who dey Konji? Agbamama we. Ikpoko we ya tagwe. Wow. Imagine you kiss Kopko. Wait. Let me go and pour this pity away. Imagine you open my kiss Kopko. Then you can't use that mat till they pray. Say me God. If you're not God, you go help yourself. You're sick Kopko. You don't know say Osalo bawa mi ami oni yagbo.
They know they follow that mad girl in Instagram. If you don't beat
No, any if Kopko come out for me again, I'll come out for her. I remember that one. I just want to do this video today. Make you know say me, I know they fear you. Here. Because I don't want to reply you. You can't take count upon yourself. Say anytime you smoke Morocco, where you pass your limit. I no get any wife you can't talk to. Boko, me ma engage you. Me ma go pay your bad price. Move from there start. Before we call it looking like normal human being. Anyway, you know, if I call you Ashago, you no enter. That name not fit you because you not be better person. If I call it does, which fit you not do this life? But I got a surprise for you.
Let it talk for many years. It not make her. Now you want to for view. Let it talk. You not make her for view.
All gonna view the view.
View you not make her for view. Now you dey cry for view. Now you dey jealous of view.
I go use you make better money for live. That one video what I do for you, You go to Miami and where you know see am. Then I can see if I withdraw the money, I can show you that I say, Kopko, see what I make for your head. But I no use am buy for me. I'll go look for people who ugly like you. I'll use that to do give away for them. Commit you where you be. I know what I'll do you be that one. Try me one more time. I'll show you how to play saga. You go to talk for another gram, you go to use it to make money. You never know me, but you no give matter. I'll wear a non-entity, a fool in the space. You don't know say you be fool. You don't know say you be Oswald. Confirm. Oswald, wait, guess what? Roasted pickles. Your face is as ugly as your pickles. Your pickles is as ugly as your face. You see how you be for bed. You be like a person who you died 5 minutes ago, who they want ban for mortuary. You will walk bell up and for head, bell up and for body. You not get better body. Kopko wear singlet. Make them say you not feel the cat. Kopko wear your Your life remain one bar. May I tell you the truth today? Your life remain one bar. What be the one bar? The life within you. May you just by that today. Me say that who will remember you? What did they want to remember you? Soon when the life of one bar, you will not be happy with yourself. Can't swear your ayila laput. Can't use your head to swear. Say if you they look me, they happy with yourself. Now this kind of frustrated people now they talk, may they stop Europe talk. Somebody like Kopko now will not be happy with himself. How you somebody take happy with you? You know they see my wife as classy. Where better will have me? My wife dress me, you dress. You will the dress like Zingiri. I never saga you. I just this one are teasing. He tease you. He didn't know any do one body. You go cry for the rest of your life. You don't know me. More at Enogie. Or Agbel. Or Asowu. Wow, Awagmo. You will be Ashawo. Shawagmo, Ashawo. That's why you love person. Not be you go use love to go buy food for man. At the same time, the blogger and say, see this idiot. You go buy, you go use love, all in the name of love. You go buy food for man. If no, which man it is going to love you, if not be the phone way when you want buy for him. Well, he said not they do again. We not do ya with the name you soon wagmo. Wabwa. We not do go no. They come for refund you your money. That's why he play you. So for your man, if you not man, you go gree sleep with yourself. We be say una we be women, some of una go want me marry do. Wait to know if you do. If you not man, when I go up there, you go sleep with yourself. Not go to do lesbian. And people like you supposed to do lesbian. You go be the man with this side. Then you go look for a woman where you go to suck pickles. You go to suck your own. Why man go to sleep with somebody like you? You're supposed to be a lesbian. You go and be a lesbian. I'm telling you for free today. Go and be a lesbian. Baba. You they insult me and my wife for more than six times. And they cut and they follow you. The last time, I look and I say no. Me, I had one more time, Jonah. Try and tell me. Me, I just see the video. Me, you do me you take saga me. No one me other way. This view where they go times, it will be 2,000. Because now this view where me they see, then they buy view for this thing. And they buy view for TikTok. How they take the buy view? I have never buy view even on Facebook. If now see say people they do the personal, for now to tell them say, bros, how you think they do your own? People love me. That's why people they watch my programs. You are just there. People can see you on other blogs. Some things they will go do here, we blog and not go cut. That's why they did here. But your own people not they bother to watch you because they'll send for blog. Gossip me no blogger. Europe this thing go blogger. The other one go blogger and well view or visual. Or soon. Babola, Rawe one year do me for CV we pass my own. Open your erotic because me ni agreeing we no ni agreeing we where you shasha wow a view as they see the view they reach how much should they make on TikTok? I don't know say videos there if you post them on TikTok it generates you money. You will not even register your TikTok, you not register your media. I can even donate, I can even put you for problem. Be mad. You they insult me and my wife on a daily basis. Since when? I be your family member. I know you before. You know me. Are we friends? So what go make you they insult me and my wife for nothing? I'm in my own way just because people they watch me and they see you they pass you. I be your mate before. When we start 2016, you never even say you they come Germany. Many of you for you will be TikToker today. We never even dream to say now one will be TikToker. As TikTok your come, some of you they happy. At least it go relieve you from stress. Some people will bored don't be wacky. Loneliness. This Europe is full of loneliness. That's why they tell people say, if they bring musician call your city, go and enjoy yourself. Don't allow all those miscreants, all those people who don't know themselves, so they tell you say no to Europe tour because Europe is too boring. So if you still see musicians, they come, go patronize them. People say they patronize the video. Talk of our idol people. Nonsense. Rubbish. Who be Kopko? I Kopko. A useless and a jobless Aduro woman that is even proud to say she be Aduro woman. Jobless Aduro woman with doom. And you get 5 children. Not go think about your life. Tell them if you reach Kopko bedroom now vodka like full vodka boy 40 volume. Not they will do you anything again. Nothing they hire you again. You not check yourself. Go do test. Make you check your body. Make you control yourself. Sometimes as presenters, you see me sometimes. It get where I will talk rich. I'll say for now it's okay. But give yourself. Kopko go your talk from morning till night. Check your body if you not get high blood pressure. Check yourself if you not get what they worry you. Not go check yourself. They make the zuo, no asigbo, make they condemn your liver. Forget how they allow they do video. Or another bath video. Yeah, may I hear my name again for your mat. May I hear my name again for your mat. Then if I come, I'll swagger you only once. But that once I'll make sure say I use and take collect like 400 euro. I'll post on here, I'll post on Facebook, I'll post on for my YouTube. Iya we kun lawa. Iya we se bet. Come bet wa agbe o. Abo laju egbe. Wa gbon we hin. You na person. You get person wey dey say the saga person. No see say the other thing when the other that girl come dey talk to me, I message her once because that one still dey normal. You know dey normal when we hin. And what me ya we. You want the truth in my way. Anytime I see you for live video, I dey look you like a mad woman. And every other people when they tell say Kopko I like you, I lie o. And that your madness that you're like nothing. You don't ever go anybody else. Fear not go even let you go. You not go kill you through away. Ozu. Wa gbe babo lawe gbe. Oko yan ho jijuo nu ni. Emi ave ove lawo ere. Ya fi pege. O ha me no ye mose my beautiful wife. On mi mo e. Wa la jemi live video. Ma no ma we video pa. Are you crazy pass? Say they borrow view. May you borrow the view now. Since meeting at TikTok, since some presenters on Facebook at TikTok, where give me a view, they break away. Well, I live video 120 with me, but so 200. But so 200. You break car. But say you break car. Let me gog you. Let me frustrate you. So may they leave me, may they come they wash you. When I go fee. If you laugh, oh, no problem. If you serious, oh, no problem. Which kind of laugh you come? Okay, you go there, me come back again. Okay, Yahoo. But now if you laugh now, no problem. If you laugh, you go resemble goat. If you serious, you go resemble goat. Blogger go do the rest. No worry. Yeah, I'm away. Yeah, I'm way. Yeah, me they see if difference day. You know the reason now for all the human being with this life. Nobody will you resemble. Nobody where you resemble. Now goat you can't go resemble. Away. Oh, no say Kopko resemble goat. Me, you're the turn out today. Why go around? When not too loud down. Low your view. Made your neighbor know you. Kopko na goat. Kopko, as in, Kopko is the replica of goat. It's just that he reincarnated into human form. Kopko is a goat. If you say a lie, go check him. All right. Nonsense. Agbel. Okay. See ya. Kopko face with this one. So worry. You go know say na goat head be that. We have been at Kopko. My me a me kona ya. Ma be elephant. Ma be kiti agana ya hewe. Umu e o. Kopko can't swear for live video say if you look yourself for mirror you dey happy. I will know you are a bloody liar. If I get that kind of face, I can never be happy with myself. But the truth that I want to confess. The truth I already talk so. I can never be happy with myself. It's the truth. If I be like Kopko, if you be like Kopko, you will look me so can never be happy. Which makeup when I tell that face? If you make up Kopko, you are in fact in the worst situation. Magic Kopko will make up. Maybe a couple red. Your rest. You go be like go to they don't key with bloody mouth. Kopko, I will so deal with you that you will regret ever because you the femina. Since then, I can't reply Maduma. I can't reply Maduma. You can't take care upon yourself. Any smart if you just smoke you go. Now me you can't work bell. But no care we see the way that's if nobody go even look to worry. See how very reasonable. Nonsense. Work bell. Hello. On the say. Okay, Oma. Nonsense. So my people, move forget about Kopko. I want to play one audio for now. Meanwhile, I want to use this medium to say a very big thank you.